Discovery Channel, I would like to talk to you about how disgusting it is that you go around recording lions taking down zebras. Has it ever occurred to you that that zebra has a family? Has it ever occurred to you that, normally they take the children down, right? They take a child down or they take a sick one down, but let's say they get dead. Let's say it's just 5 crazy female lions and 1 male, and they jump in there and now they're just feasting on it. This is traumatic for a young zebra, male or female, to watch the dad taken down by the throat, his blood drunk. This is horrible. This is a child. And this child is sitting there thinking, I'll never grow up, I'll never grow up, I'll never grow up. And you gotta show it in HD, every drop of blood, the cracking of bones, the shredding of sinews. This is horrible. This is sick, sick, sick stuff. It's a complete lack of respect for the youth in the zebra family who have to watch this and live with these memories. Post-traumatic stress syndrome. I don't know when the post is ever gonna come. The trauma's going on forever. So after that's over, there's gonna be more? No, they will never leave that moment. It's like a Ray Bradbury story for the mind. You guys are crazy.